What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Today is a very special day because it is BIMMERFEST 2018. BIMMERFEST is a two-day event that happens at the Fontana Auto Club Speedway, and hundreds upon hundreds of BMW enthusiasts go to share their cars, their stories, meet up, and just hang out, and the track is open too, so it's pretty exciting. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it on Saturday, which is the first day, and generally it's a little bit more exciting. There's more cars, more people tracking, but I am making it today, which is Sunday at the time of this video, and got the 335 super clean actually. I'm probably gonna make a separate video of the detailing process of my car because for once in its life, this car is actually really clean. So I love the way it looks. I'm really excited and I can't wait to take you guys along for the ride. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we just showed up at Rod's house. Rod's M3 is looking super clean, super polished right now. This is my friend Julian, this is his E30. This thing is honestly mint, it is so gorgeous. He's actually looking to get a 335 though, but like the interior on it is beautiful. Really sweet car, Alpine white. And then we've got Shane's N55, and then we've got my car, 335 N54. For those of you guys that aren't aware, MHD actually came out with a new beta test for a new type of burble on the N55 motors, and Shane actually got his hands on some access to it, and he flashed the new burbles on the most aggressive setting, and they're pretty crazy. They sound like literal gunshots. He just is backfiring left and right now. It's so funny. He's behind me, but I'm gonna try to get some clips of the backfiring for you guys because it's so obnoxious. If you thought it was obnoxious before, it's even more obnoxious. But I'm really excited because I've never been to BIMMERFEST. This is my first time, and we've got a nice little squad going. The cars are really cleaned. I'm gonna try to do like a detail overview in a separate video of how I clean my car. I actually took it to Shane's house, and he was able to help me detail it quite a bit. You guys can probably hear Shane's car popping, but we just arrived at Auto Club Speedway. This is really sick actually. This is really cool, and this track is legit. It's like a straight up like NASCAR track, but they have like the circuit course that has like, or the road course that has like multiple turns on it and stuff, so it's pretty cool. Oh, we're about to go through a tunnel, guys. Alright guys, so we got Rod's M3 parked next to the E30 that was Julian's?
Julian's.
Gotcha.
Parked next to my E46.
To your E46 right here? Oops. You mean Sentra? Look at this beautiful E92 M3. I actually was speaking with the owner of this thing. Full track spec E92 M3. It's got the roll cage with the fire extinguisher, complete custom suspension. This wing actually is a OEM carbon fiber wing that comes off the BMW M235iR race spec track car from the factory. So it's actually an OEM wing, and the fitment on this thing is dialed in. We have an Akrapovic exhaust, full primary cat delete. Gorgeous car, along with this beautiful one on BBS wheels, the GTS style wing, Brembo brake kit, and obviously these gorgeous racing seats in it, paddle shifter extensions, the full perforated leather wheel, really, really nice. All right guys, so we're just sitting in the stands, about to get a nice view of the racetrack. Got the buddies here, got everybody. Other side of the garages, we've got a supercharged 350Z, really cool Lexus IS300 track car. We have a track spec M4, E46 M3 with a V8 in it, and another E46 M3 up there as well. We have this single pipe exit exhaust, wide body Audi RS3 LMS race car. This thing was nuts on the track. It was so fast when they were like literally flooring this thing. You can definitely see it's seen some pretty heavy track time. We also have this completely gutted M4 race car. It's beautiful, honestly, with the carbon roof and all the decals, the Liqui Moly, shout out Liqui Moly. Full racing seat, steering wheel, cage in the rear. This is beautiful, the carbon wing on it. My car's looking real pretty for once, actually very clean. And it's literally sparkling in the paint right now. I absolutely love it. We got Rod's M3, and then we also have Julian's E30 down there. Anyway guys, I just made it home back from BIMMERFEST. I am exhausted, to be honest, and I do have a bit of a headache, but I had so much fun today. What an epic day it was, especially with the whole track stuff. That was really cool because that's something that I've never really gotten to do or see, like full-on race cars like that so close in person. So definitely a really neat experience. I actually met quite a few of you guys, so for those of you that did come up to me and say hi and kind of talked about BMWs and cars and stuff, it was really awesome to see, really awesome to meet every single one of you guys. But anyway, hope you guys did enjoy this video. With all that being said, I will catch you all in the next one. Later guys.